Some items just do better on a specific platform. For example, you might be an eBay seller and you might be selling a lot of clothing, you might be selling, I don't know, antiques, maybe rare coins, but every now and then you come across a really interesting, rare, or a profitable textbook and you're putting it on eBay. Here's the problem. Books do better in general. Most books, not all books, like some rare collectible ones might do just as well on eBay, but in general, 90% of the books that you find are gonna do better on Amazon. It's just the way it works. It's just the way the game is played. And to go one step further, some items you can't even sell on Amazon, so you're forced to put it on eBay. So there's really gonna be a respectable platform per each item that you find. Like for example, vintage clothing, it just seems to do better on Etsy, right? There's specific clothing items, a lot of clothing items as of late, after hanging out with Jason and Karen, who are putting out the free Poshmark workshop, they're getting a lot more money on Poshmark for a lot of their women's clothes and even men's clothes as well. So times change and various platforms gain a reputation for where you can find those items. So I think people just flock to it. I think it's supply and demand. But yeah, I mean, some items are just gonna do better on specific platforms. That's why you've gotta be on these various platforms. Reason number two why I believe you should sell on multiple platforms is it's gonna reduce your risk and or liability of getting shut down and putting you out of business. So for example, when you're selling on eBay, Amazon, Etsy, any of these platforms, you're selling on their third-party platform, which means you don't have control. If they wanna kick you off, if they wanna suspend you for something bogus or for something you did accidentally, it was a stupid thing, you're like, crap, why'd I do that? It could happen, and I've seen it happen before. Now, obviously, if you're using your head and you're being responsible, you're gonna be fine, but it happens. So by building up stores in various platforms, you're essentially reducing your risk of being put out of business completely if something went wrong. So say, for example, you got suspended on Amazon, you could still have some income and cash flow coming in to get you through the tough times as you fix your account.